everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to tell you about an opportunity from Kantar company. So I am going to tell you about everything, so please watch the video till the end. So basically the company is software company and it analytics sectors create leading edge offers focused on brand and marketing, ROI, brand strategy, innovation, content analytics, data strategy and engineering, and customer analytics in a way that is unmatched by their competitors. Okay, so the company is basically hiring for the post of software engineer. If you will get selected, you will be working as a software engineer in the company, and the job location is in Bangalore, Karnataka, and job title, as I told you, it's job software engineer, and your job time will be a full time. Therefore it will be a full time job and there will be no service agreement bond. So I'm going to tell you about a skill requirement also, but before that let me tell you about the eligibility criteria. So if you have professional graduation in either stream like BTech or BE in any branch and MCA, then you will be eligible for applying. But with that you should also be only 2020 or 2021 pass outs. Okay, you should have excellent communication skills and a minimum academic score of 60% in 10th, 12th as well as in your graduation. So this is all about the eligibility criteria. If you fix these eligibility criteria, then you can apply for the job. Then the skill requirements are: you should apply design patterns and architectural recommendation from legal, engineering, architect. You should understand detailed design and contribute to design element at a module level. You should apply best practice in software development, and you should also ready to adopt propose new technologies. And candidates should be well versed in at least one programming language. Preferably it will be better if you know you have a knowledge about C or C++ or Java. Should have good understanding of data structure and RDBMS. You should have effective communication skills. Okay, so if you will get selected, then you will be getting 5 lakh per annum rupees. And now let me tell you about the selection process, which is very important. So basically the selection process is online. First of all, you have to go through online aptitude test, and text link will be shared through the email IDs. Okay, then second stage is technical interview followed by an HR interview. Please keep this thing in your mind that online test will be sent to the registered candidate who meet the eligibility criteria, and also the shortlisted candidate from the test should be available for further interview process, and interview will be online mode due to the pandemic, and candidate should be available for immediate joining. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can go through the company URL. So the opportunity is knocking at your door. Please apply as soon as possible. You can, description is given below. Till then, keep learning, keep watching and keep exploring yourself. Thank you everyone.